Imagine living in a town powered by the sun, where golf carts are more common than traffic jams and your neighbors feel like family. Welcome to Tuckers Cove, a brand new community in the heart of Babcock Ranch, America's first solar powered town. Ahoy, matey! Found a neighborhood here worth plundering. Moving right into Tuckers Cove, which is ideally located just a quick golf cart ride from Founders Square, Cypress Lodge, and the Babcock Ranch Community School. Whether you're grabbing coffee, heading to yoga, catching a sunset over the lake, it's all close by. And you get the peace and quiet of a tucked away location, plus easy access to everything you need. You're gonna see today why people choose Tuckers Cove. It's the incredible amenities, pools, water slides, a lazy river, restaurants, bars, fitness center, dog park, of course, tennis and pickleball, event lawns, a putt-putt course, yeah, I'm still going, a kayak launch, and all behind what will be a 24/7 manned gate. And of course, it's trash day, but anyway, we're gonna carry on. Even pirates have trash. So Lennar's floor plans in Tuckers Cove are all about modern comfort and convenience. You're gonna find open concept kitchens, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and islands that can double as a breakfast hub or wine night central. Lots of big islands and open living in Lennar's floor plans. If you've watched any of our other videos, very comparable, same floor plans, just different location and different community. The layouts are gonna range from cozy 3 bedrooms up to 2-story homes with room for everyone. And of course, smart home tech and impact resistant windows come included. So no upgrades really needed unless you want them. All of your homes come truly move-in ready. There also is an option here at Tuckers Cove for a multi-generational home, which is a really exciting, basically comes with an in-law suite. So it gives you a private suite that has everything you might need for a multi-generational living space, including a separate entrance, a kitchenette, a living area, and a bedroom bathroom. Tuckers Cove, come for the homes, stay for the rum. I mean, responsibly enjoy some iced tea at the Shipwreck Tavern. And one of the really popular floor plans and products that Lennar offers is the side-by-side twin villa product here. So definitely great for people who are looking for a lower maintenance living setup. They've got 2 different floor plans to choose from. And people will say, you know, which one is better? It really depends on what you're looking for. One of them has 2 bedrooms with a den. The other one has 3 bedrooms. They both have nice open living, screened in lanais on the back porch. But the villas are a great option, and it is something that you can consider here in Tuckers Cove. And taking a quick look now at the townhome product that is available here in Tuckers Cove. So again, a little something for everyone, single family, twin villas, or townhomes. One of the greatest benefits of the townhomes is they do come with a single car garage. There are 2 different floor plans. Both the floor plans are just under 1,900 square feet each. They both have 3 beds, 2.5 baths, that single car garage, and again, is a little bit of a lower maintenance product. When you move into the townhome, things are covered as part of your association fees, your condo fees, for example, like painting, some of your insurance is covered. So depending on what you're looking for, lots of different home types available in here. Hey everyone, there's no need to plunder the seas when paradise is already parked right here in Babcock Ranch. So as I've talked about, Tuckers Cove is new, really new, so new, the amenities are just getting going, but they will be ready soon. Tennis courts, pickleball courts, underway behind us, they will be done. Pools, lazy river, shipwreck, a beach. Oh my gosh, we're gonna keep talking about the amenities because they're gonna be fantastic. And if you're looking for the buried treasure of real estate, Tuckers Cove just might be the X that marks the spot. As you can see, pirate theme here in this community. Check out the mailbox kiosk. Oh, I love a good tiki hut. One thing that people ask us about, centralized mailboxes. This is the way we're going here in Southwest Florida. All of our new communities have it. This is where you come pick up your mail. They put packages in there, but don't worry, Amazon usually still comes to your door. And no eye patches are needed here. Just good neighbors, good food, and Florida sunshine. Oh, I'm killing myself today. This is a map of what the amenities are gonna look like. Just wanna share it real quick. We were just over by the tennis courts, the mail kiosk, so you can see huge field, dog parks, playground, putt-putt course, like a twirly-whirly slide with a lazy river, a splash pad. And this is where it's all gonna be happening. Arr, the Shipwreck Tavern. Yes, the Shipwreck Tavern, the only place where the food's worth going down with the ship. So wanted to walk you through one of the floor plans quickly. This is the Sylvester. You might know it as a Trevi. Very popular floor plan with Lennar. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. But what makes it so popular is all the open living space. Nice kitchen with quartz countertops. This is a gas community. Come on, show them the good stuff out by the pool. Nice covered space here with the Sylvester floor plan. This one has the pool hot tub package. And you know, let me just say, if this neighborhood had a flag, it'd be a palm tree, a margarita, and a sold sign. Where do pirates go when they're hungry in Babcock Ranch? To the Shipwreck Tavern, of course, the only place where the grub doesn't come with barnacles. Are you nuts for coconuts? If so, then you might be interested in this coconut floor plan, otherwise known as a Monte Carlo. Over 3,000 square feet, very family friendly, lots of space. You can see still some open living. That 2-story entryway is gorgeous. And again, you've got a nice outdoor space. This also has the pool package that can be added on. I'm sure you noticed when you walked through all the countertop space. So not only does this floor plan have 5 bedrooms, but it's got this extra bonus space here at the top of the stairs. And then it also has a loft, so a lot of extra living. Now, Lennar homes come with the everything included package, which includes these blinds on all your windows, not your sliders, and it comes with technology package. Here at Tuckers Cove, we trade sea legs for pool floats and sword fights for bocce ball. So a real quick note about the fees here in Tuckers Cove. They are currently reduced because the amenities are not done yet, so they will be changing, but just wanted to make sure you knew. So when you live in this community, part of your fees is the Babcock Master HOA fee, which gives you access to all of the Babcock Ranch amenities, pools, parks, other amenities that you've got. So you have a lot of options when you live here. In addition, it includes the fiber optic high-speed cable, of course, your lawn care, which also includes mulching. So welcome to the Palmetto, also known as the Somerville, double door entry with a beautiful wide front entrance, walking in with your sight line out to the pool in Lanai, the largest island you've ever seen, literally the most popular floor plan, one of them for sure with Lennar. They have a lot to choose from. This one is worth giving a thought about because it is very versatile, accommodates your bedrooms are a little bit of a larger size, and you have 3 full bathrooms here as well. Check it out. Oh, hi. One of the top questions I get asked about this floor plan. What's up with that shower? Yes, it is huge and has a tiny little shower head. No parrots, no planks, but plenty of porch views, pints, and a peaceful living. Standing here outside the new commercial plaza in Babcock Ranch, tons of chargers, perfect. America's first solar town, of course, very EV friendly. Plug her in, go get your nails done. Grab a drink at Panera. Go get some stuff at Ace Hardware to do home projects. Marshall's, Verizon, Five Guys, all kinds of stuff. Coming here to the new commercial plaza. New restaurants are coming, more medical is coming. Folks, you don't have to go to Punta Gorda or Fort Myers anymore. Everything you need is coming here to Babcock Ranch. And one of the great things about moving to and living in Babcock Ranch is that you've got all of the Babcock Ranch amenities, and then depending on your actual community, you might have other amenities there. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of Jack Peoples Park, which is located just outside the Babcock Ranch schools. Here we go. So again, this is just outside of the schools that are here at Babcock Ranch, which is another bonus that we haven't really talked about, but they do have their own schools. So you can see here, they've got tennis, pickleball, bocce, basketball courts, and they've got a little playground, and they have an event field. There are so many parks and so much green space here in Babcock Ranch. It really is amazing to drive around. Every time I come, I feel like they've got new areas open, they've got new green space coming, they've got more for the community to do. It is truly turning into a fantastic option and place to move. And just want to share a little bit about this amazing community. So Babcock Ranch's groundbreaking model for sustainable development and strategic location. It's 30 miles inland from the water and 30 feet above sea level. So it ensures maximum protection from Florida weather events. In fact, you maybe saw Babcock Ranch on the news after Hurricane Ian, which was a pretty big event here in Southwest Florida. There were a lot of news stories about there was no impact on Babcock Ranch. So it offers peace of mind to businesses and residents alike. It's got close highway access to all the major Florida cities, international airports, sea routes, and it serves as a gateway to limitless opportunities for growth and connectivity. It's beautiful. It's Lake Babcock across the way. Some of the communities are centered around that. And right across the way there with that red roof is one of the neighborhood pools that is right outside of Lake Babcock for residents to use. Got 12 pickleball courts. Very active. Can't tell right now because it's the middle of the day and it's a little warm. But these courts are hopping in the mornings and the evenings. Warning! One visit to the Shipwreck Tavern and you might be hooked like a fish on a line. All right, headed up to Founders Square because this is where the heartbeat of Babcock Ranch started and where so much still takes place. They've got the Lake House Restaurant, Bar and Grill. Let me flip around and give you a look at that. Great restaurant, indoor, outdoor bar, tons of outdoor seating. Beautiful view looking right over Lake Babcock. You can see we've got a fishing pier and a kayak and boat launch. There's lots of parking in and around this area. And of course, there are EV chargers available for you to charge up while you're enjoying. Now let's talk a little bit about this beautiful area. There are all kinds of events and things that happen in this spot. So they have this nice event lawn. They often will have festivals. They will have live music. They'll set up bandstands. They decorate it for Christmas at Christmas time. You've got a splash pad in there, seating with tables under cover. Just a really fun spot. You can actually see they have a bandstand set up over here. Again, with this incredible view, beautiful palm trees, looking out over Lake Babcock. Now, they've also got a wellness facility over there called Wellway. There is a gym inside there that offers memberships that you can choose to join if you're looking for a private gym, if your community does not have one on site. There also are some doctor's offices, some Lee Health, things like that, doctors available for you. And there's also a lap pool as part of that gym if that is something that you are into. Now we've also got Slater's, which is a small little restaurant. And then there is a coffee and ice cream shop. There's offices here where you can learn all about Babcock Ranch and all the sustainability projects that are going on. Giving you another look here at the splash pad, but very cool place here at Babcock Ranch. There are so many amazing opportunities right now in new construction communities, but don't forget, you want to call us before you visit and make sure that we get signed in together so that we can partner together and be your resource as you move through the purchase and move in process. Tuckers Cove is an incredible community with amazing amenities on their way. If you want to reach us, you can contact us on social media or directly at 239-776-6872. Are you ready to live joy in Southwest Florida?